You can see on the screen that there's an empty spreadsheet open here on Google Sheets. And this is how we are going to begin our exercise. The first thing we can do is give this spreadsheet a name. For example, Miami Local News Survey Data. And now this will be saved with this name in our Google Drive. Next, we want to import the data. To import the data, you go to the File menu here at the top. You click on File, and then you click on Import. From here, you can upload a CSV file, an Excel file, or any kind of spreadsheet format that is supported by Google Sheets. The easiest is probably CSV. So in this case, we have our Miami data.csv file, which was posted on Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and upload it. You can see here my file is called Miami data.csv. We don't want to create a new spreadsheet. We want to replace the current sheet because we just gave it a name. We can leave the rest as it is, detect automatically. And then if we go to the bottom, we can see that all data will be replaced. That's fine. Convert text to numbers, dates, and formulas. That's fine. By the way, because my window is small, basically what I did was I moved this so that we could see the bottom of it, and then we can go ahead and click Import Data. Then we will see that all of our rows and columns in our data set will be open here in Google Sheets.